Hey guys, it is Julie here with TipRanks, and today we're discussing chip stocks. So let's get into it. Alright guys, welcome back. Thank you all so much for being here. Today we're taking a look at several stocks in the chip industry as they are on the move today. We have several companies whose stock is moving for different reasons like earnings reports, analyst commentary, and hedge fund activity. So we're going to take a quick look at each of those and what is going on. Don't forget you can follow along on the TipRanks website or download their mobile app by using the links in the description down below. Now let's get right into these chip stocks. First up, we have Advanced Micro Devices under the ticker AMD. You can see their stock took a big jump up today, ending the day up 4%. Heading over to the news, we can see that the stock rallied after analyst comments. One analyst from Bernstein pointed out that the PC market seems to be reverting to pre-pandemic conditions. They said despite the grim 30% drop in PC shipments year over year, they emphasized that this setback only seems dramatic in comparison to the pandemic-induced surge. They added that CPU average selling prices are still on a downward slide as AMD and Intel work on clearing channel inventory. They predict that CPU inventory correction may stretch over another quarter or two, but normalization seems likely in the latter half of the year. Over the past quarter, we have seen hedge funds increase their overall holdings in AMD. There's been an overall increase of nearly 18 million shares. We can see down here that some companies have added to their already sizable positions, and some struck up brand new ones to the tune of $250 million. AMD reported their earnings report back on May 2nd, where they came out with an earnings beat, and the stock has been on the rise ever since. Over the last 3 months, the stock is up 26%, and if we look a little closer here, starting from May 2nd, they're up 24% in the last couple weeks alone. Many analysts reiterated their price targets following that earnings report, and we did see a mix of holds and buys. But with all that growth in the recent weeks, AMD has surpassed many of those price targets already. Overall, they come in as a moderate buy with a price target of nearly $99 per share, which from current prices would actually be a slight downside. You can see here in these recent ratings, we have a mix of buy and holds, and many price targets that have been surpassed. There is another semiconductor stock that is soaring today, following their earnings report and picking up a buy rating from a top-ranked analyst. That analyst is Needham's Quinn Bolton, who is the number 4 ranked analyst currently and actually held the number 1 position for a long time. He's also one of the most followed analysts on the TipRanks platform. And he recently came in with a reiterated buy rating today on NVTS Semiconductor. NVTS came out with an earnings beat last night, and today their stock has jumped 20%. Trading under the ticker NVTS, their stock is currently priced at about $8 per share, and you can see that 20% gain right there. They reported a Q1 loss per share of 7 cents, which was 1 cent better than expected, and their revenue of $13.36 million grew 98% year over year, coming in $1 million ahead of estimates. On top of that, the company is also expecting their full-year revenue to double compared to 2022. This future outlook got the attention of several 5-star analysts. While the stock just has 4 current analyst ratings, all of those do come in with a buy. The average price target is $9, which would be an upside of 12%. Looking down here, we can see Quinn's recent rating, which is at an $8 price target, which the stock met today, and another with a price target of $9, which would be that upside of 12%. And third, we have Taiwan Semiconductor. Now, their stock is actually fairly flat today, but that is impressive as the news came out that one major hedge fund completely sold out of their position. Trading under the ticker TSM, they're currently priced just shy of $86 per share. Now, they did see some up and down this week and ended off the day up just 0.2%. After their initial investment last year, Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway has been selling off their Taiwan Semiconductor over the last few months. Berkshire Hathaway has now fully exited their position, which at one point was over $4 billion, and he cited mostly the rising geopolitical tensions between the US and China. Although he remains a fan of Taiwan Semiconductor, the growing possibility of China invading Taiwan was the sole reason for dumping the stock. He praised Taiwan Semi, calling it one of the best managed companies and important companies in the world, adding, "I don't like its location," and reevaluated that. There's no one in the chip industry that's in their league, at least in my view. So a pretty flattering breakup letter from Warren Buffett. But it seems that other hedge funds have been doing the same. The overall holdings of the Taiwan Semi stock have decreased by 56.5 million shares in the past quarter. And while we do have some that are adding or creating new positions in the stock, we also have a handful that are selling out or reducing. Wall Street analysts seem to be in favor of the company though, as we do have unanimous buy ratings. We just have 4 current ratings with an average price target of $118, which would be an upside of 38%. And we can see those all come within this last month, ranging from 28 to 46% upside. So that is a quick update on a few semiconductor stocks, all moving in the market today for some very different reasons. Let me know your thoughts on these companies in the comments down below and some of your other favorite chip stocks. I always appreciate hearing from you. Please keep in mind these videos are never a suggestion to buy or sell any specific stock, just keeping you up to date with what's going on and providing some information and entertainment. Make sure you always do your own research and due diligence. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Have a great day, and I'll see you back here next time.